Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage if you're flying with Qatar Airways. It's actually super easy, so let me show you how to do it. So first, there are two situations here. You've already booked your flight and you're booking a new flight and want to include extra baggage. So if you've already booked your flight, go to the Qatar Airways website and tap the search icon and type manage booking. So after you type that, enter your booking reference number and last name. You can find the reference number in your confirmation email. So once your booking loads, look for the option to add or modify baggage. From there, just choose how much extra baggage you want and proceed to pay if needed. So the second one is if you're booking a new flight. So start booking like normal on the Qatar Airways site. And then when you reach the baggage section, make sure to select extra baggage. And there will be a fee depending on the weight and destination. And that's it. That's how you can easily add extra baggage to your Qatar Airways flight. Thanks for watching.